Release the cylinder and ensure that each charge hole is empty. In the case of a top brake or hinged frame revolver, release the latch and pivot the barrel downward to view the charge holes. Determine the brand, model, serial number, and caliber. If the firearm is outside the examiner's experience, use the reference firearms collection. If that is not available, use the gun sights or the RCMP laboratory digital reference files. Measure the barrel length and overall length of the firearm. As in any part of the examination, be sure to keep contemporaneous notes. If the caliber is unknown, measure the bore diameter in thousandths of an inch. Determine the type of safety. In this case, the firearm is a revolver, which has a passive safety mechanism called a transfer bar. Determine if any modification or alteration has been made or if there is anything else unusual about the firearm. Note the type of sighting system and any accessories. Examine the bore and determine the number of lands and grooves and the direction of twist. Also examine the interior of the bore for the presence of trace evidence such as biological material or gunshot residues. You also need to check for bulges or damage to the bore. Examine the forcing cone area and each chamber for damage or cracking. Inspect the cylinder for damage and smoke halos or flares on the front surface of the cylinder at each chamber. In some revolver designs, you must remove the cylinder by removing the cylinder rod. For a double action only revolver, just open the cylinder. Press the cylinder release to open the cylinder. For double action revolvers, close the cylinder and check the functionality of the cylinder stop. The cylinder stop located in the frame below the cylinder should hold the cylinder in alignment with the barrel. Cock the hammer until it locks and attempt to rotate the cylinder. Perform this check on all chambers.